Is DJI finally facing real competition in the drone space? Because Insta360, known for its outstanding action cameras in 360-degree imaging, is now teasing something that could shake up the skies. Introducing Antigravity, Insta360's upcoming drone platform, which is expected to offer 8K 360-degree capture in a lightweight, creator-friendly design. While it hasn't been officially released yet, early previews suggest this could be a major leap forward in aerial creativity. For years, Insta360 has dominated the world of immersive video. From the compact Go series to powerful 360 shooters like the X5, they've made a name for themselves with innovative cameras designed to reimagine how we capture the world. But up to this point, they've never built a drone, only accessories to pair with other brands. That may soon change. In July 2025, Insta360 announced the Antigravity brand, hinting at a full-blown entry into the drone space. And from what we know so far, this isn't just a clone of existing models. It's shaping up to be something completely different. Rather than following the conventional drone design with a gimbal-mounted forward-facing camera, the Antigravity drone is expected to use a dual fisheye lens system, one on the top and one on the bottom. This setup would allow it to shoot true 8K 360-degree video, capturing the entire environment, front, back, above, and below, in a single flight. If this holds true, it could remove the need to worry about framing during flight, since creators could reframe their shots in post using Insta360's software. This approach is aligned with Insta360's philosophy, shoot first, frame later. It gives creators total freedom to tell their story from any angle after the fact. Want an FPV-style flight path? Or a smooth tracking shot that didn't happen in real life? With full 360-degree footage, those options become possible in post-production. One of the most intriguing details revealed so far is the drone's sub-249-gram weight. That's important because it would place the drone below the regulatory threshold in many countries, allowing more casual users to fly without complicated licensing. Despite its sub-249-gram weight, Antigravity is rumored to include smart features like obstacle detection, auto-stabilization, and beginner-friendly flight modes, making it appealing for both new pilots and experienced creators. It's worth noting that Insta360 already has some drone experience, sort of. In 2022, they launched the Insta360 Sphere, a 360 camera designed to clip onto DJI drones like the Mavic Air 2 and Air 2’s. It effectively made the drone invisible in the footage and allowed for immersive capture, but still relied on DJI's flight system. Antigravity, on the other hand, would mark Insta360's first fully self-contained drone, camera and flight hardware working seamlessly together. So when is it coming? According to Insta360, a full product reveal is expected in August 2025, but as of now, there's no official release date or confirmed pricing. Based on the company's history, though, it's likely they'll aim to make this drone accessible to both pros and hobbyists, rather than going for ultra-premium pricing like some of their competitors. While we haven't seen full specs or hands-on demos just yet, the concept of Antigravity is already generating a lot of buzz. If it delivers on its promises, it could open up a whole new way of capturing aerial content, one where storytelling comes first and technical setup takes a back seat. For now, all eyes are on Insta360 as we wait to see if Antigravity can truly lift off and challenge the traditional drone giants. One thing's for sure, the skies might be getting a whole lot more creative very soon.